I finally feel hot. Good morning, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in amazing, incredible Jaipur. Jaipur has been one of my favorite stops on this trip. It's really been the best 3 days ever. I went through a whole lot of stress when I got sick, but now I'm back, I feel great. And what I did when I came to Jaipur is I rented an Airbnb. I looked on Airbnb and I found the best one in a very nice area. It's called the Civil Lines. This is a 3-bedroom, massive, beautiful apartment in this very posh neighborhood. And the host, Karen, and his brother Ishan, they're just amazing people. They've treated me like a god. That's what they say, like, you know, guests is like God. So they've treated me so well. They have a family business, a 100-year-old family business where they make home furnishings and stuff like this, like little ottomans and pillows like that. Also like pillowcases, really cool stuff. So yesterday I went to the showroom, so I want to show it to you guys. Here we go.
This is the famous shopping street. We have a lot of stores here, little home stores and clothing stores and all. So this is our store.
We're headed into Isham's family's business, and basically they make home furnishes, right?
Home
Like
furnishings like bed linen, table linen,
and ottomans.
ottoman proofs, bags, a lot of things.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I love. My wife really wants. She's like, get like 10. I'm like,
I think everything that you see here in the store is all handmade. Nothing's machine made. It's all done by women in villages, in our factory. This is the 100th year of our company, the family business. And we've just, me and my father are now involved in running everything. And we are exporting globally to about 40 countries in the world. This year is our 100th year. And we've started introducing a lot more things now, like metal items, wooden items, apart from what we are doing, apart from all the linen that we are doing. And we just focus on everything to be, everything has to be handmade. That's what we are known for. This company is known for serving good quality handmade stuff, which is then resold in America at a very high rates, at very high prices, because we are giving very good quality stuff. Yeah, so we start from maybe $10 to $800. We have things till $1,000 per piece. This is the hand carved wooden block, and this is used to print all our textiles. You see the whole store? These designs have been used to print all this. And it's all handmade, hand designed, everything is all handmade here.
this place is really amazing. Look at this. Here we have rugs. See this? These all rugs?
Yeah, these are all rugs.
This is like beautiful.
It's again hand printed.
All hand printed.
The walls.
Wall plates?
Yeah, this is a wall plate.
And these are like,
The biggest one.
oh.
You can use them as serving trays as well.
Dude, thank you so much. This
Yes.
has been like
See you in
amazing. See you in America. He gave me a nice little ottoman for my daughter. You'll see it on, you'll probably never see it.
Make sure you buy from our online store next month.
That was a showroom. They have incredible stuff. When you come to Jaipur, you should definitely go to their showroom. It's really beautiful. Also, the link to the Airbnb is below in the description. Now, let's go to Mumbai. Last stop on the trip. The drive from the civil lanes to here was like around 20 minutes. Once you get to the airport, you have to have your e-ticket handy. Every single airport in India, before you enter the airport, there's always a security checkpoint, and there they ask you for your e-ticket and your passport. So always have your e-ticket on hand. I went through security, got my boarding pass. I'm flying today with Jetwing Airways. It's a really good airline here in India. I'm only flying economy, and it's only an hour and a half. And yeah, I'm super excited to fly this airline though. This airport is very small, as you can see. Now, let's go to Mumbai.
Center armrest, economy under each seat. Life jacket should be inflated only in the exit. Pull red tag firmly to inflate it automatically.
Yes, I finally feel hot. No, it's been too cold up in northern India.
Hi, my name is Amit from Jaipur.
This is my boy, he's a developer out here. Let's go get my luggage. Here's a pro tip for you guys. When you arrive in Mumbai Airport, the best way to get into the city is by taking Uber. Uber actually has a section set apart for them. It's called P7 West, so parking lot 7 West. That's the 7th level. So get on the Uber app, request your Uber. It'll say P7 West. You get there, you'll see a bunch of people waiting for their Ubers. Take the Uber, it's the best way to do it. It's not so expensive, it's really affordable. Right now I'm spending around 400 rupees to do like around 30 to 45 minute drive to Bandra. That is the area I'm staying in. I'm staying in an Airbnb there. It's more like a posh, safe neighborhood. And yeah, once I get there, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my Airbnb, and then I'm gonna hit the ground running to see Mumbai. I got 72 hours, let's go. Okay, so let me give you some facts about Mumbai. Basically, this is the most populated city in India at 23 million people. It started off as a fishing village and really changed when the British came. I mean, they turned it into something else. It's known for street food, its beaches, historical sites, but it's also known for Bollywood. It's a beautiful place, 23 million people. There's actually like real slums here. I haven't seen slums in India, now I'm seeing slums. They actually have the largest slum in all of Asia. But yeah, I'm super happy to be here. The food here looks amazing. Everybody's so friendly. Everybody's so open-minded here. This is my Airbnb, guys, right there. My friend, thank you. This is my Airbnb one-bedroom apartment. It's still a little messy. They haven't cleaned up from the last guest because they told me, hey, you know, you're supposed to check in at 3, but I got here at 10, so I just came to drop my bags off. I'm gonna leave now. This apartment is amazing. It's a 1-bedroom in a mansion. There's like 5 levels and there's 4 1-bedrooms per floor. Pretty amazing. If you want to check this out, the Airbnb link is in my description. And I hope you like this journey from Jaipur all the way to Mumbai. It's been a great morning. I'm super excited. The city is about to get me pumped up. I'm gonna be making a lot of food videos here. I'm gonna be seeing the main sites, but food is why I came to Mumbai. And I've had an amazing trip so far here in India. It's been incredible. This is my last stop. The only problem I had is I got sick for 6 days. Agra, Lucknow, Varanasi. I was sick in those cities. I made the best of it. I did what I could, saw everything, took it all in. And yeah, if you haven't traveled to India, you really haven't traveled, because this place will test your will. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next adventure in Mumbai.